Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace a front drive wheel on your Troy-Bilt lawn mower, you will need a 9/16" socket and a wood block or a comparable sturdy object. Before you begin the procedure, make sure the engine has cooled. Lift up the front of the mower and support it. Now, using the 9/16" socket, unthread the nuts securing the wheel you're replacing. Remove the old wheel. When installing the new front drive wheel, first confirm the drive gear is in place, then slide the wheel onto the axle. Thread and tighten the nut to secure it. Remove the support, and your lawn mower should be ready for use.